Keto Diet 101, Demystifying the Ketogenic Diet for Beginners and its Weight Loss Benefits. What if the key to transforming your health and shedding stubborn weight was not eating less, but eating differently? The ketogenic diet, or keto for short, has rapidly grown from a medical therapy to a mainstream lifestyle embraced by millions. With promises of fat-burning energy, mental clarity, and even better sleep, it's no wonder so many people are asking, what exactly is keto, and how can it help me? At its core, the ketogenic diet is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate, moderate protein way of eating. It shifts the body's metabolic engine from relying on glucose, sugar, for energy to using fat instead, a process known as ketosis. By significantly reducing carbohydrate intake, your body is forced to break down fat into ketones, which become the new fuel source for your brain and body. For beginners, keto may seem counterintuitive. After decades of being told to fear fats, embracing butter, avocado, and bacon can feel radical. But the science speaks clearly: when carbohydrates are restricted, insulin levels drop, fat burning increases, and hunger often diminishes naturally. As a result, many find themselves losing weight without counting calories or fighting cravings. One of the most compelling benefits of keto is its impact on weight loss. By keeping insulin low, a hormone that stores fat, the body becomes more efficient at using stored fat for energy. Many individuals report rapid initial weight loss, particularly from reduced water retention and inflammation. Over time, consistent fat burning can lead to sustainable weight management and body composition improvements. Beyond the scale, keto may improve energy levels, reduce brain fog, and support stable blood sugar, making it particularly attractive to those managing type 2 diabetes or metabolic syndrome. However, success with keto depends on doing it correctly. That means prioritizing whole foods, healthy fats, like olive oil, nuts, and fatty fish, and staying well hydrated with electrolytes. It's important to remember that not all keto journeys look the same. Some may thrive on strict macros, while others find success with a more flexible approach. What matters most is finding a version that fits your body and lifestyle. As with any nutritional change, consulting a healthcare provider is always wise, especially if you have underlying conditions. If you've struggled with conventional diets and are curious about a new, science-backed path to health, keto may be the reset your body has been waiting for. Could this be the moment your transformation begins?